In the meantime, the Shadow Minister on Energy, Philip Paulwell, is demanding more transparency in the decision of the Office of Utilities Regulations, O.U.R, to grant a 7% bill increase to the Jamaica Public Service. In justifying the increase, the O.U.R had noted that the JPS had to rely on more expensive fuel sources for generation because natural gas was unavailable in the period leading up to and immediately after Hurricane Melissa. But according to Mr. Paulwell, this revelation was never before stated by the Light and Power Company's Chief Executive Officer. Mr. Paulwell is also calling for the Independent Power Producers, IPPS, to publicly declare that they are not in collusion with the JPS about the charge adjustment and to independently provide clarity on the increase in the IPP fuel price. He's also demanding clarity on whether an off-site data storage failure, as alluded to in the JPS notice, contributed to the JPS's inability to access meter readings required for accurate billing.